Good morning, everybody. I'm back. Yeah, my name is Marko and I'm the founder of the Health Oceans. And today we're gonna talk something really touching, which is gonna be actually actually it's not gonna be, it is really bad for the oceans. So today we're gonna talk about Great Pacific Garbage Bags. And you get the idea automatically what it's going to be, because it is really long term and it's really bad. So let's get it done so we can talk a little bit later more. This is what I have it in my mind today. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed world leaders and fellow ocean enthusiasts, today I stand before you as a public speaker and a lifelong ocean explorer to shed the light on the horrifying reality of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. You heard it correctly. We know that it is over there. Unfortunately, not so much things has been done for it. So, this massive floating trash island, spanning millions of square kilometers, is an ecological disaster that demands urgent attention from all of us. So let me share some horrific, it is harrowing facts and statistics about this monstrous problem. Number one, size and scale. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is estimated to be approximately 3 times the size of France, making it one of the most largest human-made structure in the world. Can you imagine? 3 size of the France. France is a small one, so if we get it that one 3 size, it would be like this one. I mean, this one is the France, and then we make it like this. It is a huge. So, number 2, plastic pollution. Shockingly, 80% of the debris in the garbage bag comes from land-based sources, while the remaining 20 is from marine activities. Man, we actually 80% of the humans do it to make it bigger. So number 3, marine life impact. The patch is a silent killer for marine life. Countless marine creatures, including birds, turtle, and fish, fall victim to in a station of entanglement in the plastic debris, leading to slow and painful death. So that's why it's called as a silent killer. Then number 4, is somewhere. I lost my script. Let's go over there. Number 4, microplastics. As the plastics breaks down into smaller particles called microplastics, it becomes even more insidious. These tiny particles infiltrate the food chain ultimately reaches our own plates, posing serious health risk to humans too. Yeah, I'm just thinking about the same time in here. We humans, we don't like to eat the plastic. We don't. I know that one. You have to be a really weird person if you want to eat the plastic. So, number 5, ocean health. The garbage patch is just the tip of the iceberg. Remember, tip of the iceberg, how we 1/3 of the iceberg we can see and 2/3 are under somewhere below. We can't see it. That's how it goes. We can work together as the world leaders and communities to save our oceans and restore their vitality. Here are some possible solutions. It's funny echo from my own mouth. Possible solutions. Please stay intact. Do not disappear. Listen to this one. Number 1, global cooperation. We need the commitment of the world leaders to develop and enforce strict policies that reduce single-use plastic production and promote recycling practices worldwide, not just the regional, worldwide. As you remember, why I'm taking care of, I'm talking about the worldwide so often. Ocean covers 75% of the world. You cannot escape, it's everywhere. So individual countries, every single of them have to do the part, because this one is the worldwide problem. Number 2, innovative cleanup technologies. We must invest in and support research and development of the advanced cleanup technologies to tackle the exciting garbage patches and prevent future ones from forming. We have to do something which is stop the future things growing up or even starting. That is the future planning. Number 3, education and awareness. We need to educate communities about the danger of the plastic pollution and empower them to make consequences choices in their daily lives, such as reducing plastic consumption and properly disposing of waste. That's quite clear. Number 4, sustainable practices. Fishing and shipping industry should adopt the sustainable practices to minimize their impact on the oceans. Initiative fishing gear and eco-friendly shipping methods can be significantly reduce marine debris. Understood? I like fishermen. I work with them in a lot. I work with the fishermen actually since early 1980s already. Even before I worked on the shipping industry, I did work with the fishermen. So, number 5, collaborations with NGOs. We should collaborate with the environmental organizations to organize large-scale cleanup efforts, beaches cleanups and community outreach programs. It is happening now, but in a small scale. We need to get it larger and larger and larger. So, saving our oceans is not just the environmental issue. It is moral obligation. As leaders and citizens of this world, remember, we are in this world. We don't know yet what is behind us or somewhere out there. So we talk about this world. We have a small ball here where we live. It is a small compared to the other planets what we see. We don't know yet if there is any living things. So we have to focus in on this world. We must act swiftly and decisively to restore our oceans and project marine life. We have to protect marine life. Do you know? It is something what we need to do. Together, me, you, everybody out there, we must act swiftly. We can pave the way to healthier, cleaner, and more sustainable planet for generations to come. Yes, we can. So let's take this responsibility seriously and usher in a new era of cleaning oceans and ocean conservation and restorations. Thank you for that one and listening. So now we can go into the little bit more in details what is happening over there. As you know it, it's not, and it will not be good for us eventually, because it will come to your plate. We become a more and more plastic dolls. So the smaller steps you can actually, if you want, support the Help the Oceans. We will go out. We will make it much more public and live streaming what is happening over there. You can see it live. It's not recorded. It's not edited. It is live. Live as a live can be. Help the Oceans is planning for the future. We get hopefully some, let's say, rich person like Elon Musk, Elon Musk he likes space. And I don't actually know if he really cares what happened in oceans. I don't think, because he is out of our reach. So only what he has done is called Starlinks. So with the initial donations and building in the base foundations, we actually then getting up in our fleet of the electric, 100% electric sailboats. You know that we save the world, we do our own parts. We using in the sailboats. We don't use it on the ships, which is consuming in the diesel fuel, and then of course it's going to create in other debris on oceans. So we're going to have in a sailboat after sailboat after sailboat, and in the steel hull and a suitable size, it can accommodate about 10 people. We sail the world, and of course then we're creating in a 100% electric motor in there with the solar panel, as the sun is out there, so we can use it that one. Sustainable sailing boats. So if you would like to join the Help the Oceans organizations and follow us, it is somewhere over there. There. Follow us, share us, like us, look our clips more than you do it now. I'm actually looking for what is the average you followers do you actually looking for the clips. It's about less than 5 minutes, and I do my best to keep it up in under, let's say, under 20 minutes in one clip. So I'm not going to waste on your time. I'm actually talking about facts, what's happening in the ocean. That is something sometimes people do not like to hear, and they make their own opinion about it. That is just a talk. I've been on the ocean 34 years. I know it. I've seen it. I've done it. Part of it. I've been there in real life. 34 years on my 56 years life. So if you calculate that one in really fast, I spent more than 50% on my lifetime at sea. So having said that, think about it. Hopefully you join us. Hopefully you share and look our clips, and we will make some difference for the future generations. Thank you for your time. My name is Marko Hainen. I'm the founder of the Helped Oceans. Until next time, have a fantastic, cleaner, plastic-free day. Bye bye.